It's with me every day. I've never been able to really talk about it.
Sexual assault is not a silo issue. It's pervasive in many problems that face our society. KSARC is a frontline organization committed to eliminating sexual violence and abuse from our communities. This is done through advocacy, treatment, policy development, and prevention. They said it couldn't be done.
There are 5,000 homeless youth in King County, and 40% of them have suffered some sort of sexual assault. A lot of them are homeless because of sexual assault.
I think homeless youth or street-involved youth are often forgotten or they're misinterpreted.
We've been told by a lot of people that providing trauma-specific services to this population was not going to work. And you know, the minute you tell me no is the minute I dig my heels and just figure out a way to make it happen. We said we could make a difference.
Project 360 is a partnership between KSARC and Youth Care that's specifically providing trauma-based counseling and case management to youth who are homeless or who are at risk of homelessness, who've experienced sexual assault.
We thought that if we paired these two things together, the case manager can spend time working on the basic needs while we focus specifically on the therapy. And that is, I think, the secret to this project.
It's very frontline, it's innovative, it's something new that hasn't been done before, and it's working really well.
They said it couldn't be done.
KSARC has a very strong dedication to social justice. Social justice is an attempt to help our legal system do not only what is fair in its application of the laws, but to do what's right in its application of the laws. And that means giving all of the stakeholders a voice.
KSARC's legal advocacy, we work in partnership with our Court Watch program, which really helps us provide that social justice response that is so needed in our community, because as advocates, we work one-on-one on a individual basis with victims, but we have seen so much of what's going on in the bigger picture.
We said we could make a difference.
One of the things that we do when we collect data is we decide, is this something that can be legislatively fixed, or is this something that needs to be fixed by education and outreach? And so one of the things that we're really proud of is we helped work on the Washington State Sex Offense Bench Guide. Washington is one of only a handful of states that has a bench guide on sex offenses.
We are educating judges, providing written materials that they use in the courtroom on a daily basis. We're providing training for judges across the state, as well as putting together materials that are serving as a national model.
They said it couldn't be done.
Prevention is really important if we want to stop sexual assault from happening. We really need to get at the root cause of the issue, and prevention does that.
We said, we'll do it.
100 Conversations is the toolkit to start those traditionally uncomfortable conversations about sex and boundaries, things that we're taught not to talk about.
We're hearing back from parents who are using it and saying that it's really helped them figure out a way to talk about these things in an effective way.
I think KSARC has been able to be very innovative in our program, primarily because we pay close attention to listening to the needs.
We address what the challenges are, but we also look forward. We're always focused on what else can we do.
Your support of KSARC helps us provide real-time impact. You are the society that brings social justice to victims of sexual assault.
It's all about being loud, and that's what's so exciting about KSARC. We figured out how to be loud, and we need the community to be loud. The more we talk about this, the more awareness there is, the quicker we're going to solve the underlying problem.
KSARC has big ideas about how to tackle the complex problem of sexual violence. They're not shy about turning them into real solutions because they are working.